The one thing every close-up performer needs to rely on is their close-up pad. Murphy's Magic is proud to present a professional line of close-up pads to suit everyone's needs. Each one of our pads comes in different sizes, thicknesses, and colors. Each pad contains a non-slip back, high-quality fabric top, and a high-quality inner cushion. Acid dyes are used on our fabric tops to prevent fading and stains. Each pad is brilliant in color and will not run or fade. They're also easy to clean and very resistant to creases and stains.